Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make a Moroccan recipe on my Pit Boss Navigator 850. We will make a lamb tagine with candied lemons and honey and some coriander. So it's an easy to do recipe, but you will need some ingredients like some salt, you will need some garlic powder, some honey, liquid honey, some cinnamon, some turmeric, candied lemons, of course, at least 4 or 5 candied lemons, green anise, some black pepper, and olive oil. You will of course need some onions and lamb shanks. You will need some fresh parsley and fresh coriander. So let's go. The first thing to do is the rub. For the rub, we will need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons salt, a half tablespoon, maybe 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, one tablespoon turmeric, one teaspoon of green anise, this is mandatory, okay, 1 tablespoon black pepper, and I will not put any sugar on this rub because we will glaze the shank with some liquid honey in the second part of the cooking session. So no sugar at this time. Okay, you just mix it, and you will also need 2 tablespoons of Raz-El-Hanout. So I will add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. This is a very good olive oil. So it's about 5 tablespoons. Smells already good. So now I will let the meat rest in the fridge for maybe 2 hours, okay? After that, we will smoke the meat for maybe 2 or 3 hours until an internal temperature of 65 to 70 Celsius degrees, sorry. And then we will do the rest of the recipe with the tagine, okay? Now it's time to smoke the meat. for the next part of this recipe, I will need 2 onions and 2 garlic cloves. Okay, I will slice the onion immediately. And we're gonna cook the onion and garlic immediately in the tagine. Candied lemons, chopped parsley and coriander, I will also add some red skin potatoes. Up. The honey, le miel. And now some chicken stock. That's it. Et voilà. And now I will let it cook for maybe 2 to 3 hours at 150 Celsius degrees. The lamb looks really tender, really soft, like pulled pork. It's pulled lamb. Yes, it is pulled lamb. Check this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.